Good afternoon, most amazing artist. Today you are going to be making a giraffe family with a dad or a parent and a mom and a child giraffe. Or it could be grandparents, or it could be aunts or uncles, or it could be big brothers and sisters and all the kids. Any type of way that you want it to be. We're going to make the biggest one first. It's going to be a big circle. If I fold the paper in half and I fold it again, you can see that this one is going to be in this corner and kind of tilted a little bit. So in this corner right here, I'm going to make a big circle. You are going to use these markers. First, you're going to do it with pencil, and then you can trace it with marker after. I'm going to do it in Sharpie so you can see it really well. But you're going to do it with pencil. Big circle. On top of the circle, we're going to make a rainbow shape or a big U shape. Inside, we need to put the eyes. So we're going to do 1, 2 eyes. If you're ahead and you want to give some eyelashes, you can. The next thing is going to be the ear. So the ear is a rainbow and a smile. And then we connect the rainbow and smile. The other ear is going to be a rainbow and a smile that we connect. The giraffe has little antenna like things. These are not antennas. I think they're more like horns. Maybe we can find out what the exact right word is for what these are on the giraffe. They're going to be like a rectangle that doesn't have a closed top. Instead of being a closed on the top, it's going to have a little circle around it. So another one of those little rectangles. If you get behind and you miss any part of this, well, we're going to play the video again for you. So don't worry if you get behind, you can watch it again. We're going to do the nostril so he can breathe, and give him a mouth so he can smile and eat. Remember, you're doing yours with pencil. If you need to erase it, you can erase. And later, when you come back, you can color it in with marker and trace these pencil lines with the marker. Giraffes have really long necks, so I want his neck not to go here. I want it to go kind of down more so that I can see his whole neck. So we're going to start right up here, and we're going to go down, 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 and then do the other side, down, down, down. Giraffes often have spots on their neck, so we're going to give him some little spots. It can be like a circle. Maybe we just see half of the circle. If you want them to be more wavy, you can make them more like wavy spots. You can choose how you want your spots to be. When you color this in with crayons, you can make them colorful or you can make them realistic. What color is the giraffe actually? He's kind of like tans and browns, those colors, but you could make him rainbow colors or cool colors, blue, purple, green, or warm colors, red, orange, yellow. Let's make the next one. So the next one's a little bit in this corner and a little bit, actually a lot in this corner. So let's make the circle just like we did before. Circle right here. Then we make the rainbow. Then we're going to give her eyes. Help her breathe with some nostrils. Give her a smile. Maybe this one's going to go to the side a little bit. You can have it go to the side. Do you remember how to do the ears? Rainbow, smile. Rainbow, smile. Then give her these little things. So we need to find the name for what they are. Are they horns? I'm not sure. Let's go down with the neck. So we want a long neck. So this time I'm going to have the neck go all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to go all the way down like this and like that. And I'm going to make some little spots. You can make them more circular or you can make them any kind of which way, whatever way you want it to be. All right, so which one are we missing? The little baby or the kid. Maybe he's 7 or 10 or maybe he's 4, whatever you want him to be. He's going to get the circle, the rainbow. Then we're going to give him some eyes, some nostrils for breathing, a little smile. Then I want to give him ears, rainbow, and smile, rainbow, smile. But you can make them go different ways if you want to. And these little things. And then let's make his neck come down. Oh, he's so cute. So you can color him any way you want, give him spots, however you want it to be. So the next step is to color. You're gonna get your crayons, remember, be responsible. You're gonna share one gold bucket with your table. You can mix these up. These really are better if you have all different colors. So when you put them away, it's nice to organize them by color, but actually we want to have a mixture of colors in each crayon, not all the same, because then you don't want to have just blue. You want to have all the colors. So they should be mixed up a little bit, and then you can get the colors that you want. I think I would like mine just to be brown and orange and maybe some yellow. I'm going to go darker on the outside. Remember, create value with these. Dark, dark, dark on the outside. Make him nice and dark on the outside. And then lighter on the inside. It's going to make him look rounded. So really light on the inside. He's going to get a round shape. So cool, right? Dark, 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 dark. Dark, dark, dark. Dark, dark, dark. Dark, dark, dark. And then light. What's better than one color? Two colors. So maybe we're going to take some yellow and go dark on the outside and then lighter on the inside. Maybe I want the spots to be yellow. So I'm going to make him yellow. Maybe I want some of the spots to be kind of tan or brown or peach. I don't see any browns. If you don't have the color that you're looking for, you can get up and get your color that you want. This is kind of like a skin color, but I think it looks good for the giraffe too. So I really want to get a brown. I have a dark brown and a light brown and a gray. So you're going to go dark brown and then lighter, dark, 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 light, light, light. Maybe add some value to the side. Maybe make the face a little bit darker because that'll be so cute. Maybe add some shadow behind his nose because his nose is popping out. And then go really light on the inside. I don't know what color these would be, maybe brown. And then we'll do the other ear, dark, dark, dark to light. Maybe the top of the ear is in the sunshine, so it's going to be a little bit brighter, and the bottom of the ear is going to have more shadow. You can do that. Maybe you want to do this one more like reds and purples. That's okay. Maybe you want him to be blue and green. That's okay. Or you can do it more realistic like this one. You can choose how you want to do it. If you like doing it this way, you can add some more orange or yellow. Two colors are better than one, so I'm going to add some orange. Maybe I'll add some orange to the spots over here, make these dark spots. It looks good to make them dark too, or make them multicolored. You can add some orange, some yellow, and some brown to it, and just have fun with it. And spend your time like really making it look nice. If you have enough time, maybe you can decorate it with some little hearts around the edges. Don't forget to put your name on your work. Where are you going to put your name? I think I'm going to put my name right here. And maybe decorate with some hearts along the edge. Or you could do like a little rainbow if you wanted to. Like a sunny day, backwards rainbow, or a little ray with a little star. Don't add too many extra pictures, but you could do a little bit of extra things. And then, oh, did you see my name? Don't forget your name on yours. And don't forget that you can trace yours with certain colors. Maybe if you want it to have red around it. You're going to trace with marker. Don't color it in with the marker, just trace with the marker. All right, we can replay the video and you can watch it again.